Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find the option System. Then let's tap on Reset Options, and we've got network settings or resetting network settings divided between two different options, so mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can choose which section you really want to reset. So all you need to do is to tap on the option you want to reset and tap on Reset. What's more, you need to be aware that you cannot undo this action in both of the situations, so just be aware about that and tap on Reset, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.